Gina, ano nararamdaman mo? Nahihilo ka pa ba?
I'm okay.
Kinuha na kanila ng dugo para sa blood test. Baka kasi anemic ka na eh. Di ka ba kumakain? Lalabas ako bibilang pagkain. Anong gusto mo?
Huwag na. Kaya ko na sarili ko, I'm fine.
Sige. Samahan na lang kita.
Yes. Hi, hello. I have here your blood test results. So, there's nothing to worry about.
Okay, so I can go.
Actually, I do have something to talk to you about. So, according to the results here, it seems you're pregnant. Congratulations. So, before you leave, I would like to refer you to our OB doctor so we can get you checked and you can start planning your prenatal appointments. Once again, congratulations. You're now mom and dad. Have a nice day.
Gina.
Hindi pwede. Hindi ako pwedeng mabuntis. Can you just go?
Hindi. Sasamahan kita. Iuwi na kita. Halika na.
Kaya ko na sarili ko. You just leave me alone?